In today's digital world, contracts and terms of service are everywhere. But how can you be sure they're legitimate? With the rise of artificial intelligence, it's now possible to use advanced tools to help verify if a contract or term of service is a scam. In this video, we'll walk you through practical steps to use AI for scam detection, making sure you stay safe and informed when dealing with important documents online. Scams involving contracts and terms of service are increasingly common. Fraudsters use complex language and hidden clauses to trick people into agreeing to unfair terms or even stealing personal information. Understanding the risks is the first step to protecting yourself. AI can help by analyzing these documents for red flags that might be missed by the untrained eye. AI contract analysis refers to the use of artificial intelligence tools to automatically review and interpret legal documents. These tools can quickly scan through pages of text, identify unusual terms, and highlight sections that may be risky or suspicious. This technology is especially useful for people who aren't legal experts, but want to understand what they're signing. AI tools use natural language processing to read and understand contracts. They break down the text, look for patterns, and compare the language to known scam indicators. This process is much faster and more thorough than manual reading, allowing you to catch potential problems before you sign anything. Some common signs of scam contracts include vague language, requests for unnecessary personal information, and clauses that allow the other party to change terms without notice. AI tools are trained to spot these indicators and alert you to their presence, helping you avoid falling victim to scams. The first step in using AI for scam detection is uploading your contract or terms of service to a trusted AI platform. Many online services allow you to securely upload documents for analysis. Make sure the platform you choose is reputable and respects your privacy. Once uploaded, the AI scans your document for red flags. It checks for suspicious phrases, hidden fees, and unusual requirements. The analysis is usually completed in seconds, giving you a quick overview of any potential issues. After the scan, the AI generates a report highlighting any problematic sections. Review this report carefully. It will point out areas that need your attention, such as unclear terms or clauses that could be used against you. While AI is powerful, it's always wise to consult a legal expert if the AI report finds anything suspicious. A lawyer can provide context and advice, ensuring you fully understand the risks before proceeding. There are several AI tools designed specifically for contract analysis. Some popular options include Logix, Kira Systems, and Luminance. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and robust security features to help you analyze documents with confidence. AI tools are trained on thousands of real contracts, both legitimate and fraudulent. By learning from these examples, the AI becomes adept at spotting patterns and anomalies that indicate a scam. This ongoing learning process makes AI an ever-improving ally in scam detection. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the technology that allows AI to understand human language. It breaks down sentences, interprets meaning, and identifies context. This is crucial for analyzing contracts, which often use complex legal terms. Manual contract review can be time-consuming and prone to human error. AI, on the other hand, can analyze large volumes of text quickly and consistently. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone who regularly deals with contracts or terms of service. When using AI tools, it's important to consider privacy and security. Always choose platforms that encrypt your data and have strong privacy policies. This ensures your sensitive documents are protected during analysis. AI reports typically use color coding and clear labels to indicate risk levels. Green means safe, yellow signals caution, and red highlights serious concerns. Understanding these signals helps you quickly assess the safety of your contract. One common scam tactic is unusual payment terms, such as upfront fees or vague refund policies. AI tools can spot these terms and flag them for your review, helping you avoid financial loss. Scam contracts often request more personal information than necessary. AI tools can compare the data requested to industry standards and alert you if something seems off. Some contracts allow the other party to change terms without notice. AI tools are trained to spot these clauses and warn you, so you don't agree to unfair conditions. Vague or ambiguous language is a hallmark of scam contracts. AI can highlight unclear sections and suggest where you should ask for clarification before signing. Legitimate contracts should always include clear contact information. If the AI tool finds missing or suspicious contact details, that's a major red flag. A contract without a clear termination clause can trap you in an unfair agreement. AI tools can spot the absence of this important section and alert you to the risk. Some scam contracts grant the other party overly broad rights, such as unlimited use of your data. AI tools can identify these clauses and help you negotiate better terms. Arbitration clauses can limit your legal options if a dispute arises. AI tools can flag these clauses so you can decide if you're comfortable with the restrictions. Some contracts specify legal jurisdictions that are difficult or impossible for you to access. AI tools can spot these and warn you about potential legal complications. Automatic renewal clauses can lock you into ongoing payments. AI tools can highlight these clauses so you can make an informed decision before agreeing. A contract without a dispute resolution process can leave you vulnerable. AI tools can spot this omission and suggest you request a fair process before signing. Scam contracts often hide fees or use unclear pricing structures. AI tools can break down the pricing and highlight any hidden costs, so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Legitimate contracts should allow you to opt out of certain terms or services. If the AI tool finds no opt-out option, that's a warning sign you should not ignore. If the AI tool flags your contract as a scam, do not sign it. Report the document to the relevant authorities or consumer protection agencies. Always keep a copy of the suspicious contract for your records. AI tools are powerful allies in the fight against contract scams. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can use AI to protect yourself from fraud and make informed decisions. Always combine AI analysis with human judgment for the best results. Stay vigilant and stay safe.